colorful animal sounds. Hey kids! Today we're going on a colorful adventure. Let's meet some animals and learn their colors. Are you ready? Let's go! The brown koala goes munch, munch, munch. Munch, munch, munch. Brown. The yellow lion cub goes roar, roar. Roar, roar, roar. Yellow. The red monkey goes eek, eek, eek. Eek, eek, eek. Red. The blue turtle goes splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. Blue. Brown, yellow, red, blue. Hey, color time, let's have some fun. Brown, yellow, red, blue. Join the sound, everyone. The green panda goes chomp, chomp, chomp. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Green. The orange kangaroo goes boing, boing, boing. Boing, boing, boing. Orange. The pink elephant goes toot, toot, toot. Toot, toot, toot. Pink. The purple hippo goes splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. Purple. Green, orange, pink, purple. Hey, color time, let's have some fun. Green, orange, pink, purple. Join the sound, everyone. The white raccoon goes sniff, sniff, sniff. Sniff, sniff, sniff. White. The black dolphin goes click, click, click. Click, click, click. Black. The gray rhino goes